Hi guys, we are going to be jumping into 13.2, which is talking about the difference between permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations, some kind of unusual words. So a permutation is an arrangement of objects in which the order or position matters. So the order or position of the objects matter. So there's a few different examples of this that might make sense. A phone number. If I change the order of the digits in a phone number, does it call the same person? No. So the order of the digits is important. How about passwords? Passwords, if you change the order of the words, the order of the letters in a password, then they would be different. It wouldn't necessarily work. Another one, leadership positions. There is a difference between the president of student council and the secretary of the student council. Those leadership positions do have different meanings. So the order in which they are selected, the order in which they're picked does matter. And then another one that kind of stands out to me is when you're assigning awards for like first, second, and third place. So if you're at an award ceremony, whether it's, for a swim meet or track meet or an art competition, those who win first, second, and third place, that's going to be a different kind of connotation or order that matters versus a combination. Now, a combination is an arrangement of objects in which the order or position does not matter. And so a few examples of that is pizza toppings. I mean, besides cheese, it really doesn't matter if your onions go on top of the olives or on top of the bell peppers. I mean, the order of those pizza toppings does not really matter, especially if you're just placing the order. You're going to list all the pizza toppings and they're just going to show up. So pizza toppings or dealing cards. When you're playing a card game, it doesn't matter the order the cards are handed to you because you're going to change their position in your hand to whatever direction or whatever order that you would like. So the order in which you receive those cards does not matter as much. And then another one is picking friends for a trip. So that one is kind of a stretch. So obviously, if you have 10 friends and you're picking 3 of them to go with you, that's a different situation. But the order in which you tell them that they're going with you doesn't matter. You can call Stacy and then you can call Jessica and then you can call Lisa, or you can call Lisa and then Jessica and Stacy. It doesn't really matter who you call first or second or third because they're all going to go with you. When the order would matter or the position would matter, would be maybe where they sit in the car or sit on the plane or where they sleep in the hotel. That might change, but the order in which you might call them to tell them that they're coming with you won't matter because it doesn't change anything about the trip. So what does this mean? How does this go? Well, we're going to go through a few examples today and try to decide is something a permutation? Is it a combination? What's our sample set? All of that kind of stuff.